Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have me, a Tomica Suzuki Escudo number 14. So as you can see, Takara Tomy over here, Suzuki Escudo, and the picture of the car over there. Number 14 again, and some random stuff at the top, haven't bothered to figure out what that means. And anyway, at the back, made in 2016. So let's take a look at the car. So first up, what we notice is very detailed for the front. So we have blank space where the number plate should be. And yeah, it's again this matte gray paint. It's like what they use for most bumpers. Like, I don't know if the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X video has come out yet because, you know, it's just all pre-recording for Italy. So anyway, yeah, if it has come out, then yep, it's the same kind of paint used in that bumper. So anyway, the front grille over here is the Suzuki logo on top with, yep, nice silver detailing. Also, front lights are transparent plastic, which is a nice detail, and fog lights, no, not bothered with again. So, chrome silver front wheels with 5 studs there. Oh my god, not another flies. Okay, never mind. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, 5 studded chrome wheels over here, and for the front, yeah, this little black portion right before the, what do you even call this, turquoise shiny paint, shiny turquoise paint? No idea, but this honestly kind of looks like shiny turquoise paint. Just let me know in the comments what you think this color is, because honestly, yeah, this kind of looks like shiny turquoise paint to me. So anyway, your petrol caps on this side with your rear light tampos, and all of these things kind of look like pentagons. Anyway, they kind of look like pentagons for the rear lights, and the Suzuki logo and Escudo for the back. Again, an empty place where the number plate should be, and a blacked out windscreen. So what I don't like about this blacked out windscreen, it is because it is basically the same black as the roof. So kind of looks a bit misleading here because this window is also blacked out together with the roof supporter right here and all these roof supporters. So basically it just makes this blend in with the supporters and makes it look like a supporter. But in real life, it's actually a window. So yeah, the rear hatch opens or boot opens to reveal a black interior. And the inside of the boot for this one is actually painted well, unlike some other cars. And also, if you do notice, there is actually a number on the inside of opening parts. I think that's just for the factory to know which part goes where. No idea actually, but just making a wild guess. Anyway, for the base, it is a 2016 car. Number 14, Suzuki Escudo, made in Vietnam. So yeah, the bottom of this thing is in light gray, which is somewhat different from the rest of the cars, which are usually black. So anyway, Suzuki Escudo, yeah, everything done that. And as well, the details under here is actually really cool because you get your exhaust pipe, your axle, your muffler, I think, somewhere back here, and yeah, even your suspension. So yeah, that's a really nice undercarriage, something they should do for all their cars. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for today's video. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.